Ever get that feeling like you're being bombarded with ads promising you, well, everything? Like sign up now and make $1 million.
Yeah, especially in the trading world. You know those flashy platforms with their sign-up bonuses? It's tempting.
It really is. Makes you wonder if even the pros, the ones actually making serious bank trading, if they fall for that stuff.
Right, like do they see a juicy bonus and just dive in head first?
That's what we're digging into today, how professional traders really view those tempting bonus offers. And what we found might surprise you. So let's be real. If you're a pro managing big money, a fat bonus sounds like a no-brainer, right? Like free money to trade with.
You'd think so, but actually it's the opposite.
Really?
Yeah, for seasoned traders, bonuses are surprisingly low on the priority list.
So they're practically ignoring free money. I don't get it. What's the catch?
No catch, really. They're just playing a different game. Instead of chasing a one-time bonus, they're focused on what actually impacts their bottom line. Every single trade.
Okay, so what are they prioritizing?
Think of things like execution quality, tight spreads, platform reliability, having enough liquidity. They're all about consistency and minimizing those tiny costs that eat into your profits over time.
So instead of a big splash, it's more about those small, consistent wins.
Exactly. Take spreads, for example.
Spreads.
Yeah, the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset. Now, those tiny fractions might seem insignificant, but for pros making hundreds, even thousands of trades, those fractions add up big time. A tight spread means a bigger chunk of each trade goes straight into their pocket.
Uh-huh. So it's all about those fractions. Kind of like how I justify my daily latte habit, every penny counts.
Exactly. Every fraction matters in the long run.
So if bonuses aren't the key, what are these pros actually looking for? Give us the inside scoop.
Okay, imagine this. Lower trading fees, lightning fast execution speeds. And I mean fractions of a second faster. That can make a huge difference in volatile markets.
Right. Every millisecond counts.
Exactly. And let's not forget access to top-notch support and resources. These might not sound as exciting as a big bonus up front, but trust me, they make a world of difference in the long run.
It's like choosing a reliable car over a flashy rental, right?
Perfect analogy. You need a platform that you can depend on day in and day out, not just a one-hit wonder.
Speaking of testing the waters, our research did mention that pros might use bonuses strategically when trying out new platforms.
Right, it's a way to dip their toes in, so to speak.
A test drive with a little safety net?
Precisely. They can see if the platform really delivers on those key factors without risking their own capital. But again, it's not about the bonus itself.
They're more interested in the platform's performance. It's almost like there's a silent code among professional traders, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. It all boils down to those core values. Skill above all else. Managing risk like a hawk and definitely not falling for marketing gimmicks.
They've seen it all, right?
Exactly. It's about building a reputation based on consistency and expertise, not chasing freebies.
So what's the biggest takeaway here? When it comes to professional trading, substance beats flash every time.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
This has been eye-opening, but it makes me wonder, how can we apply this professional mindset to our own financial decisions, even outside of trading?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Are we focusing on what truly builds long-term success? Or are we getting distracted by those shiny offers that might not be what they seem? Something to chew on.
Definitely food for thought. And on that note, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been tempted by a bonus? Or are you all about that long game? Let us know. This is The Deep Dive, signing off.